Model, 2019 Ford Transit 350 body, white, panel van mileage, 95,395 MOT, 27 June 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Needs injector number 3 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.